Are you dreaming of starting your own business? Starting an LLC is an exciting journey, but how much will it cost? Starting a business is thrilling, but it also requires careful planning. Forming an LLC has costs that vary by state. An LLC, limited liability company, offers owners protection from personal liability. But do you understand the costs involved? Choosing where to register your LLC is crucial. Each state has different fees and requirements. For example, Delaware's filing fee is $90, while California charges $70 plus an $800 annual fee. Consider the key expenses. First, there are state fees for filing your LLC, which may range from $50 to $500. Second, you may need to hire a registered agent for around $300 annually. Lastly, don't forget about business expenses like insurance and licenses. What sets doola apart? It's a comprehensive solution that simplifies the formation process for just $297. Enjoy support throughout your journey, ensuring your LLC stays compliant. Starting a business has costs, but with doola, you have a trustworthy partner. Are you ready to launch your dream? Visit our pricing page now to get started.